Hello. Welcome. Last time I tried this, my computer died and now it's not dead. Here I am doing it again. Isn't that right, Skyberry? Yes, man. Okay. Enough of me being weird. Actually, that'll never stop. Anyways, let's get on to the video. I'm doing races. But while I do that, there will be music to entertain you. So, yeah. Did you hear that? He just went, ooh. Well, that's what I heard, anyways. Whatever. Excuse me. Ooh, intense music. But, that's not what you're hearing. I'm gonna put different music over this. So, again. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but, wait, no, I haven't. Because I haven't published any of the videos I've made. But, I'm going to be, my club leader. I'm going to get Skype with her, and then we can, talk to each other while we're playing, and, that'll be, better, because I'll actually, be with somebody, and, yeah. And I'll record it. For y'all. I can't. Okay. I'm just gonna stop now. For you all. Which is I don't know, 4 people? I don't care. I'll get bigger over the years as I grow up. And whatever. Ooh, I'll be 11 in August, and I'm gonna stop talking now. Goodbye. I'm the only person who did it today. And it's still today, because it's only 11, so it isn't 12, which means it isn't tomorrow, which means... Yeah, wait. Where are other races? Ooh. I'll go to silver. Play to quit. That's not where the races are. I mean, the check... Boy, am I getting tired. Oh, so this is just a special hi from my friend. Hi, Penguin. Hi, Penguin. I love you. You're my best friend and my best neighbor. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I love you, Penguin. You're my best friend. Well, one of my best friends. I have some more. Now time for the hard races. What? I am now a Fennec Fox. Like, what was that? Wait. Let's do this tank. Oop, not that way. That's the other race. Did I seriously just miss that? No. No. Burp. Burp. Okay. These are all long races. Races. I'm not gonna beat. I'm not gonna beat my high score. Who cares? I do. Whatever. I only care. I kind of sound like a parrot. I only care about leveling up my horse, because it's kind of close. Oop. I wish there were shortcuts. That's so short. I can't talk. That's because it's 11 o'clock and I guess I'm getting a little tired. Because at my mom's house, there's no, time I have to go to bed. It's called bedtime. But at my dad's house, I always have to go, to bed at 10 o'clock because that's how old I am. And, yeah, and, like, even on the weekends, he says we can stay up late, but every time, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, bedtime. And he thinks it's really late if it's just like 10 or 10:12, because, like, I always go to bed at 10. Oh yeah, and my favorite time ever, my favorite time is 11:11. Because if you, like, look at a clock, it's 1111. That's why 1111 is my favorite number. It's my favorite time too. What? I knew I messed up before I even did it. Oh, this way. Okay. It's gonna take me forever to finish this race. Because I did most of my races on Spirit, so they're all, like, really fast. But if I level up my horse, one day it'll be faster than Spirit. Can't wait for that day. No wonder it's so long. It's a cross-country track. Across the freaking country. I seriously cannot talk, so I'm gonna stop. Ooh, I think I'm gonna beat my high score. I'm gonna beat the Yes. Okay. Where to? Guess Vale. Ow. My finger hurts all of a sudden. Definitely not because I play this game like every single day. Except for Wednesdays and the weekend. Totally. No. I don't play this all day. No. It's not the only thing I do. No. And I didn't just sleep all of Wednesday. No. Yeah. Cross country. Cross country. Away I go. Oh, I only have about 4 more minutes until my recording stops. Okay, I'll finish this race and then I'll stop the video. And if the music is a little loud when I put the music on, I'm sorry, but I don't know how to turn it down on this app thing, this new thing that I'm recording on. This video, I for sure know is this one gonna be published because I like it. It's my favorite, and I've tried this. Even though I can't talk, I've tried this 5 times, and I didn't like the 5 ones. Plus, my computer died on one of them, and I'm okay. In all of them, I were weird, very, very weird. Cause that's just who I am. I am a weird, short potato. Yes, I'm short. Penguin doesn't think I'm short, but I know I'm short. Ooh, my friend, my club leader about the Skype thing, yeah, she said she was gonna get Skype tomorrow. I have to look my best tomorrow. Yeah. We're not gonna, really at all look at each other. It's just, we're gonna say hi, because, first we gotta look at each other, then click the app start stable, and then, play. And so we can talk to each other without typing. We'll probably have to type to the rest of the people because they probably don't have Skype, or they just, their moms and dads and just all we're doing is talking. What the heck? Okay. Oh, personal best time. Best personal, I don't remember what it said. Yay! So close to being level 10. What's here? Can't even. Okay. Oh, bye. I'm not gonna buy any of that. Where else? Well, I guess actual Vale. This is Vale Lake. Well, wait. I guess this is actually Vale. Oh wait. I gotta stop my recording. I'm gonna do that when I stop this and. Say my traditional bye. I have a new bye now. Okay. Bye!